welcome back to another, review video. So I'm gonna be talking about a whole bunch of, accessories that I've gotten from DHgate. I did a purse one in the past, so it would only be fair if I showed you guys the accessories on there. So I recently have gotten these Celine sunglasses that have been like popular all over like videos and stuff like that. I fell in love with it. It's very plasticky feeling, but it looks very good overall. Super bougie looking, but it was a little uncomfortable for me in the beginning because of just how harsh the frame is, but over time I felt like it was, got comfy. It doesn't slip or anything off my face. It's like perfect framing, and it did not come with a case, so it just comes like this. I believe you can pay extra for the casing, and they come in different colors, so I chose just regular black, but I definitely fell in love with them. Another pair of sunglasses I got were from Gentle Monsters, so I do have the real Gentle Monster glasses. These ones were sold out because they were part of the Jenny collection with Blackpink, so I wasn't able to get my hands on them. But honestly, I'm so impressed because once I opened it, I was so amazed of how real this looks and just like so detailed. The only thing that is a little hard is like the handles are a little hard to open, but I'm pretty sure I can adjust that. Inside there's like the XO sign, and then on the frames you can see like little etched in that only Gentle Monster has. But overall they're super cute. They sit on my face like this, which really gives that like look that I've been looking for, and I like love the marbleness of it. The only thing is like I can't adjust the backing to my ears because I know Gentle Monster, they do that for you in store, so I'll have to somehow make them fit my ears somehow. I've been like looking up how to do this on my own, but overall super cute. I love it. And the casing was surprisingly like very sturdy. I was comparing this with my other Gentle Monster glasses, and they are identical in casing, the feel, and just I'm so impressed. The other accessory I got were these iPod Apple Pod case. So cute. I put my AirTag on it, and super like well done. The only flaw was that corners were kind of coming off, so I try to ignore that, but overall like so cute, and like you can't even tell, but I just wanted to get this little accessory. I did want to not disregard purses at all, but I did get a purse from recently. This is the Polen purse, and look how legit it looks like from afar. Like you can't even tell it's like flawless. I've gotten so many comments on my photos, and it's just like so well detailed. I think the only thing would be like the material obviously is a little different. I've actually never really seen the actual one in person, so I don't really know, but the handle's a little different, a little stiff. The stitching is a little off, but overall super cute and fits so much inside. I brought this to a trip with me in LA, and it like did me very well. The straps are perfect, and there's actually a really soft faux like material, so I wouldn't be afraid of like damaging it at all, but so cute. Okay, let's move on to shoes. So I've gotten a couple of shoes. Let's start off with UGG. So in my past video, I mentioned that I did get like the longer pair of Uggs, but this is the booty kind. But I really wanted this because I just wanted something to slip on, super easy. Inside is so soft. If you have real Uggs or you've seen real Uggs, their material is very different. It's more of a harsher, denser fur, while this is more of like synthetic and just like very comfy. So I prefer actually this than the real Ugg just because of how comfy it is. But the sizing was on point. You can't even tell from afar that they are fake. I've gotten so many comments from this, and they were actually surprised that this was not authentic either. Second pair of shoes I got were these Dior sneakers. Look how amazing these look. I love this design, as you can see, and it's just like super cute. But the only flaw is that this part of the shoe, the stitching on both of the shoes are a little different. So I found like myself getting blisters. I'm not exactly sure if maybe that's usually how it is with these shoes, but I definitely had to put like a backing on it because it would rub against my heel. So I don't know if you could tell, but the stitching inside, it kind of has like a little flap that lifts up and it's like super hard. So that's the only flaw of these shoes, but overall, so cute, so good quality, very dense, and these will definitely not disappoint. And you don't have to worry about getting them dirty or just like wrecking them because they're not even real. But yeah, the last pair of shoes I got were these beautiful mock and mock duplicates, replicas, and they are just so stunning. Like, look how beautiful these are. They're not bad, they're pretty comfy. I did put some insoles in them and they look stunning on any occasion. I'm actually surprised of how like walkable they are, because when I was kind of first looking at them, I'm just like kind of like not as like comfy as I was hoping. I'm not sure if the real ones are comfier, but overall, like, I'm in love with them, and I feel like they're very like timeless, like very elegant, and you can't go wrong with it. This one wraps around your ankle, so it kind of gives that like wrapped up look, but I'm surprised the crystals and everything stayed intact. Nothing was coming off, and the shoe itself is very sturdy. Last items I'm going to be talking about is kind of clothing in a way, but I got this very cute knit polo like crew neck, and oh my gosh, like this is the comfiest material like I've ever felt. It's like so stretchy, and the real one in store I believe would go for $150, and it's made out of real wool, so can't disagree there. But this one was only, I believe, for like 20 bucks, and it came in different colors. I was so tempted to get more. It's very heavy duty and thick, surprisingly, and I just like fell in love. Like, this is so cute. One of my best purchases ever, I must say. And the last item I got was this LV reversible scarf. So on this side, it's like a cream color, while the other side is like a beige. But this looks beautiful in the winter or fall. It just like hits on you very well. So cute, and definitely so soft as well. I was very surprised. But overall, that is probably the most accessories that are designer that I've ever gotten. If you have any questions, please ask me below. I'll try to find the link for most of the items. I have got this over time. I haven't got them just recently, so I'll do my best to link those down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul review, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!